how much should you actually spend on a lawn mower blade sharpener? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, SHARPAL 121N Dual Grit Sharpener. This is the SHARPAL 121N Dual Grit Diamond Sharpening Stone, priced at $21.99. What caught my attention is its dual grit feature, offering a coarse 325 grit for quick edge setting and an extra fine 1200 grit for honing. If you want your lawn mower blades to feel like new, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The durable monocrystalline diamond coating makes it highly effective for sharpening various tools beyond just mower blades, like axes and chisels. The fact that it requires no oil and can be used dry simplifies the process, saving you time and effort. And with a 4.6-star rating from over 3,200 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its effectiveness. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for portability and ease of use, that's not necessarily a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, no-fuss sharpening tool without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need something designed for heavy-duty professional use. Now, if the size of the SHARPAL 121N bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, SHARPAL 103N All-in-One Sharpener. Next up is the SHARPAL 103N All-in-One Knife Garden Tool Sharpener, retailing at $22.99. What really stands out is its versatility, designed to sharpen virtually all types of blades, from mower blades to pruners. If you need a one-stop solution for all your gardening tools, this one's definitely worth considering. Plus, with a 4.4-star rating from 15,700 reviews, it's a clear favorite among users looking for reliability. The oversized handle and large handguard also mean it's safe and comfortable to use, even with gloves on. However, some users found that it doesn't work as well on very dull blades. But here's the thing, if you maintain your tools regularly, this sharpener should keep them in great shape. This is perfect for you if you have a variety of gardening tools that need sharpening. Skip this one if you only have one or two specific tools that need attention. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for quick fixes. Product number 3, ACU Sharp Garden Tool Sharpener. The ACU Sharp Garden Tool Sharpener comes in at just $11.99. I was genuinely surprised by its compact design and effectiveness. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality, this one's worth a look. What's great about this tool is that it sharpens a wide range of items, from lawnmower blades to shovels, in just a few strokes. The diamond-honed tungsten carbide blades are one of the hardest materials out there, meaning they last a long time. With a 4.3-star rating from 2,700 reviews, many users rave about how quickly they can restore their blades to peak performance. Now, some people pointed out that it might not handle very large blades well. But here's the thing, if you have standard-sized tools, it works just fine, and the price makes it a no-brainer. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use portable sharpener. Skip this if you have very specialized or oversized equipment to sharpen. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more heavy-duty, this next sharpener might suit your needs better. Product number 4, Kimsook Lawn Mower Blade Sharpener. Next is the Kimsook Lawn Mower Blade Sharpener, priced at $56.99. I was really impressed by its build quality and the fact that it comes with a blade balancer. If you're serious about maintaining your lawn mower, this is worth your attention. This sharpener is great because it helps you achieve the right angle while sharpening, ensuring your mower blades don't just cut, but do so cleanly. It works with various blade angles and widths, which is perfect for most users. With a solid 4.5-star rating from 362 reviews, it shows that many people trust this product for keeping their lawn in tip-top shape. However, some users found the setup a bit complicated at first. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, the results are worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a professional-level sharpener that's easy to use once set up. Skip this if you need something quick and simple out of the box. If the setup complexity bothers you, the next product might be more straightforward. Product number 5, Kimsook Blade Balancer Sharpener. Finally, we have another Kimsook lawn mower blade sharpener priced at $59.84, but with a focus on simplicity and efficiency. I appreciated the consistent positive feedback about its usability. If you want something straightforward yet effective, this could be the one. This sharpener also helps restore your blade's cutting edge while ensuring they remain balanced. With the same 4.5-star rating as the previous Kimsook model, you can trust its effectiveness based on real user experiences. Some users mention that it doesn't work for very thick blades, which is a valid concern. But here's the thing, it's designed for most standard mower blades, making it a solid option for everyday users. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable sharpener that's easy to set up. Skip this if you have an unusually thick or specialty blade. Now, let's wrap this up with a quick comparison of all 5 great options. So to quickly recap, the SHARPAL 121N is your go-to for a basic yet effective sharpener, while the SHARPAL 103N offers versatility for all your gardening tools. The Baku Sharp gives you a fantastic budget option, and the Kimsook models are perfect for those who want something a bit more robust. Each option has its strengths, making it easier than ever to keep your lawn mower blades sharp no matter your needs.